it Wednesday again. So this week I'm going to tell you about some of the fantastic Bridgewater Candle Company products. Our #1 selling scent is Sweet Grace. So because it's so fantastic, it comes in lots of different products. So I thought we'd highlight the products just a little bit. One of the coolest things we have is it's called a flower diffuser. So it actually starts out like this, and it turns into this and smells so good. So it's just like a little flower sitting there, making your whole room smell good. So it's a flower diffuser. The kits come like this. You can get everything you need to get it going. So this is our Sweet Grace flower diffusers. Just got a fresh new stock of them. They did come out with a mini as well. So that's just a little one, which would be great for like on your desk. That one does not change colors, but it still smells delicious. So another product that we have in the store. Wait, Carrie, are you ready? Do you really want to smell this?
Let's go.
So they also have, this is a room spray.
Ooh, it smells really good.
So smells so good. So we have those in stock as well. This is actually a discontinued item, but we still have a few on the shelf. It's a foaming body wash. So now you can smell like that as well.
Ooh.
So there's just a few of those left. These are bath bombs. There's room sprays, which we just talked about. There's fun little candles that come in fun little shapes. There's some really fancy ones, but this is the #1 product I want to tell you the most about, is it's the laundry detergent. So we're going to be giving this away tomorrow on our live sale at 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock Mountain Time on Facebook and our app. So that's a little mini version so you can try it out. But this is the Sweet Grace laundry detergent. So this is a laundry detergent. Let's just be honest. We're not going to do all of our laundry in it because it is not inexpensive. It's actually $39 for this bottle. But this is what you do with it. You wash all your linens in it. You wash your blankets in it. You wash sleeping bags, we've heard, get washed in it. We've even had somebody who put it in their shampoo carpet thing. So it makes your whole house smell like this. But when you wash your linens with this, I guarantee when you climb into bed, you're going to smell this. It's going to smell fantastic. So here's the big bottle when you know that you're serious. It only takes a capful to put into your normal wash. And then you're going to get amazing smelling linens. Like your sweaters. You know what I mean? That kind of stuff. Stuff that you're not going to do a lot. So this is a great way to try just a little guy. And then we also have things like dish soap. We have hand soap. We have lots of different products. This is something I tried out the other day. It's actually a wrinkle releaser. So you spray this on your fabric, like I love to do it like again on the sheets. You spray it and then you just give it just a second, then you do a little tug and it gets rid of wrinkles. So that's kind of cool. Oh, I gotta back up. I gotta tell you about my other little secret with the laundry detergent. I actually take it, I put it in a little tub, dilute it with water, cut up like a cellulose sponge, and put it in there and let it soak up that smell. And then I throw them into my dryer.
Ooh, to get it smelling those.
With the dryer, and so everything like the towels and everything smell like
nice.
That. Such a fantastic product. So if you'd like to win this product, this is what we're asking you to do. Share this video. The person who has the most shares, we're going to announce live on our Thursday night live show that you're going to win that product. So if you'd like to do some shopping of these products, you can check out our website. It's shopsimplycreative.com. We are located in Wheatland, Wyoming, a very rural town in Wheatland, Wyoming. But we'd love to have you join us on our live sale, and let us know if there's anything we can help you with. All right. Thank you.